Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing iOS 18. Can you use hearing test and hearing aids in AirPods iPhone? With the iOS 18, you can use AirPods Pro 2 as hearing aids, specifically designed for individuals with mild to moderate hearing loss. The update includes a hearing test feature that allows users to access the hearing at home using AirPods. Go to Accessibility. Now scroll down till you find hearing devices. If you have an hearing device already, you can check for Hearing Control Center. However, this functionality is not available for standard AirPods or earlier models. The hearing aid feature enhances certain frequencies based on test results, improving everyday listening experiences. Full functionality is expected to roll out soon, pending any final updates from Apple. Thank you for watching.